So what you know, welcome everyone. So today we can link one of our bro them, you see me? And we are going to touch the river and we are cook some callaloo with chicken back and some dumplings. See pre? So let's check in and forward first of all. Yeah man, check in. So this is the road where we are used to go river today. You see me, other road today, but this one we are used today. So just forward with we and come check in, see what we're going down. So yeah, now we reach our entrance for the beautiful river in some bushes. So we are going to go around there, go check out what we go on, because you didn't know the first time we are forward there. So we are going to check out the river and deal with with. See, so we're there up on the river. I go on easy. You know what I mean? On a hidden gem them. So yeah, right now we're there in the bush and we're there and we are look some wood. We don't get the wood them already still, you see me? So we are get some fine sticks. You see, fine stick them now, we are going to use them if we can make a fire blaze. So we are going to put them on top of wood them. So once you put them on top of wood, you know, so it will catch and it will blaze. You see me, if we start bubble up the food, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that's what we're going. So we just organize the big out them at bottom and stick them on top to make it start blazing. You know what I mean? So we are catch up with board fire now. We put on the food them. See pre? So that's one what we're going.
Tell them more about how you cook them, man.
Say they know say at Jamaica, so we are deal with the great chicken back. You see me? And with the chicken back we are deal with some callaloo. You see me, some my green, you know, vegetable. And we along with that, the food that we are consuming with it, some flour. You see me? Forward.
Gamblers won on the breeze is up by 3 points.
So yeah, we're there make it with fire go and blaze. So we make sure it's use some fork, some plastic fork and some plastic bag, you see me? Yeah. So right here, so we have a great old callaloo, you see me? With some okra. Right, so now we have a chicken back in a pot with the flour, with the seasoning, then we use some easy spice and some Maggi. So right now I'm there in the water and make sure say callaloo get some proper wash off so I can go up and go cut up here now, you know? Yeah.
Roll on man. I say, see, a boy ain't selfish now, watch him. And I'm a friend, they not supposed to selfish now, only one is selfish.
I crab myself.
Yeah, you sell crab, you see. Yeah, I call crab.
So yeah, like if I already know we put on the pot, so we use some coconut oil and some wood ashes and use if you grease the pot, so when we're done with the pot, it now go black and up. Right now, a Callaloo done steam, so now I need up a flour to deal with it. Watch now, finna make a pot black and thing when we done cook. We are gonna use some oil and some ashes for the fire. See, free?
Come. Come on. Brother, arm to your brother. Watch him. Watch him, man. That's him. Watch him, man.
Manas me dog. Alright, so we have to wait till the pot start boil, then we put in the dumpling them in it, you see me? Callaloo done cook over there, so you can check in for the callaloo them done cook. Just a finish putting the flour them, then we match up the chicken back and get everything I wanna see, pre? Yeah. So I try to find my way, my dog. Suppose I want to hold it.
You know what? Come out. Come. Come out. Come out. You look like some ketchup.
At last, my dog. You see me?
No, I mean, I think I ever said still, my dog. You're supposed to comfortably in one of them there, no, my dog. You don't look comfort. You look far from.
Okay, flour boil up. Now we have the chicken back right there, so just put in. Make it cook down. You see me? Yeah. And then we have to put in a callaloo in it. So cook down, is it? Make it go on. Anyway, make your own gravy. So that's how taste of it, make it go and do it. The chicken back and the dumpling and done cook and active. So make your dog then tell you what I go on.
Yo, dumpling.
Tell you what I go on. Give you a review on the floor.
Dumpling then, tick up.
So dumpling then. Yes, so what you go on, my dog? Active. How you going? How you going? How you going? 10 out of 10, my father. Believe. Pony River.